Are you ready to go eat some crab legs?
Come with us to Hook's Calabash Seafood
Buffet! Woo!
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin with the Boones, and we all know you love seafood, so we're going to go check it out. Let's go eat some crab legs. Come on.
All right, so that's a low country boil right there.
Look at that. That looks delicious, don't it? And then you got some sweet potatoes and some mashed potatoes and ribs.
Shrimp. Oh, they said that's shrimp, but that's ribs. Mushrooms.
Let's say that's
Shrimp Alfredo. That looks delicious.
it sure does.
Shrimp fried rice. Got shrimp, clam, and mussels and marinara. Yeah.
They even have oysters on the half shell. Look at that. I think I'm going to try some with, what is that, horseradish?
Horseradish?
So it's oyster on the half shell. I'm going to go over there and get me a thing.
And we have a fruit buffet. And here's where you can pick your salads. All sorts of. They got frog legs on the menu, onion rings, and everything. Wow, look at that.
So it looks like I went for the fried platter. I've got oyster, fried frog legs, some mozzarella cheese sticks, some fish, and I even went with the crab cake. That is so delicious. And what did you get?
One of those too.
Oh, she got crab legs, and look at that.
Salmon. I had an oyster, mussels, shrimp.
So how's it tasting, y'all? You like it? Steaming hot, and they just came out. And the girls are gonna teach me how to crack them. You up for it?
Okay, so I got some of the steak, the barbecue sausage, a frog leg. That's the only fried food I got because I'm trying to stay off of fried food. I got a tilapia. I think it's a tilapia. No, a mahi, some shrimp, and the mussels in marinara sauce.
Oh wow! And what's the name of it again? Walt the Flame. That is. Look at that. Let's see what Brady Pie thinks. Is it good, Brayton? Okie dokie. So this is a frog leg. Can you see it? And I am going to try this for the very first time. Let's see here. I'll see. It looks kind of like a chicken wing. Oh, look at that. I'm sure it's not. It's a little baby frog leg.
Is it good?
Where does it go?
What does it taste like?
Chicken. If you want to know if there's a lot of meat and the crabs, look, they are getting big slices. Look at that. Show them, Brayton.
So this kind right here has seasoning on it, and it's on top of the corn.
Is it Old Bay seasoning?
I don't know. Look, I can show you.
I think it was in the Low Country Boil.
I think it's a low. Yeah, I do.
Probably Old Bay.
It's a Low Country Boil.
Boil.
Oh, okay. Oh, goodness, another one.
Ooh,
Wow.
That looks good. Yeah.
This one's really good.
Yes, I do.
Now, what is that one called? Deep Blue
Deep
Sea.
Blue Sea.
All right.
That's delicious.
Thank you.
They are really good.
All right, you ready?
All right, so show us how to.
So she's eating the bundle with no seasoning, so you don't get your hands messy. Okay.
All right. Where's mine crack?
Just, I mean, you can cut it how you're doing it now, like since I opened it for you, or you
Alright.
can crack it and try to open it.
All right, here we go. Y'all
All right,
ready?
go.
Like it on the front.
Or might not be strong. Oh, there we go.
Now
And
click
then
on
click
the
it on.
back.
A little, don't go too hard. Just
Okay,
you wanna
and then
you
click
wanna
on
just
the back.
break the shell. Yeah. Now easy. Try to pull it out. Pull it out. No. Pull it
Apart.
out. Hold on. Don't rip it. No, like this.
Thank you.
Like you just want to kind of wiggle it. See, that's why you want to try to crack.
No.
It's okay.
Fail.
When this happens.
I used your scissors.
Yeah. Now grab
Oh,
that out.
look. Where's the little?
And then dip
Oh,
it.
Yay.
And you
look.
can put it
You
in
can
butter.
dump in the butter.
I'm probably not going to like this, but let's see.
You'll like it.
It's not bad.
It is pretty good.
I mean, baby.
So look at there. Beatbot's got a special cut.
Prime rib. And I put the au jus sauce on it.
Oh, did you? That looks delicious.
Let me
Let's,
see.
let's see. Cut that.
Let me see what this
Very
thing tastes
thin.
like.
It's easy to cut. And for those of you who aren't too sure about seafood like Brian and I used to be, well, they also have ribeye steaks where they'll cut it fresh right there in front of your face.
Okay.
And they got some good old delicious yeast rolls, and they put steak sauce on the table. They also have a salad bar with macaroni and cheese, but as you can see, the girls are still cracking. J-Pan's over there just cracking away, and they give you buckets that they'll come around and empty those for you. And well, Beatbox is missing because he's up there still loading up. You know we love those flamingos. Look at that. And I'd say the girls are working very hard on those crab legs. They got a mess all over the place, but look at there. So if you have a sweet tooth, our daughter loaded up a smorgasbord for all of us to enjoy. She's not going to eat this by herself. She was scared. So just wanted to let you know that there's a $3 off coupon in those monster books that you see around town. And y'all said it was $47.99 for the buffet
There's a $7 off. There's a $5 off. There's a $3 off.
in the monster books. $7 off if you come before 3 p.m.
You get $5 off if you come before 5 p.m.
And you get $5 off if you come before 5 p.m.
And you get $3 off if you come anytime, any day, any place. Oh no, not any place.
There you have it. That was a look at Hook's Calabash Seafood right here in Myrtle Beach. My favorite thing was the ribeye steak and the macaroni and cheese and the blueberry muffin. And I did like those crab legs. Those were good.
That was your favorite?
That was my favorite. Beatbox, what was your favorite?
I think my favorite was the mahi and the I like the mushrooms with the onions in it.
I like the seasoned crab legs, the kind that was on top of the
The Low Country
corn.
Boil.
Yeah, me too. That was my favorite.
Okay, and then Alyssa?
Crab
got-
legs was my favorite too.
That was your favorite? Oh,
macaroni.
and the macaroni.
The shrimp scampi thing was good too.
And I didn't try the macaroni, but I
heard.
I heard about it. I
Heard it
wanted.
through the crab leg.
So we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, how about give it a big thumbs up because it helps support the channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to keep up with what's going on around Myrtle Beach or the beach itself. And make sure you ring that bell notification because it alerts you to new videos that we post, and we post them weekly.
That's right. And if you see us out, make sure you shout. And as always, tell them what to do, ladies.
Keep beaching!
And we'll see you in the next video.
What did you say?
So you're gonna be videoing us.
Look what they brought out at the end.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. I think it's
Oh.
gone. Well, party failed.
Wow, party foul.
I mean, a fail foul.
Crab legs look like a little bit too much hard work for me. Look at there.
It is hard work.
Yeah.
The only thing we don't like is it
Oh, whenever that happens.
When a good piece falls on the floor.
We will see you in the next video. And until next time, girls, tell them what to do.
keep beaching
They're new at this.
with the booze.
With the boonies. Boozing with the boonies.
Boones.